Welcome back. In this video, we are focused on the cost analysis module. Clicking the fifth button starts the cost analysis module. Let's focus on the Chevy Bolt and assume 5 years of usage. These segments represent the cost of the vehicle split among these major vehicle subsystems. Because the vehicle actually exists, the sum of these segments equals the Bolt's manufacturer's suggested retail price, or MSRP. We also add the cost of installing a home charger, level 2 for battery electric vehicles and level 1 for PHEVs. Next, we see the vehicle usage cost accumulated over the ownership period, which includes fuel cost, maintenance, and so on. Combining these with the previously mentioned cost gives us the total cost of acquisition and use of the vehicle for the selected 5-year window. On the other side of the ledger, we have two items that reduce the total cost, namely the resale value and the incentives. Now let's explore other parts of the module. First, the sliders. If we wish to reduce the purchase incentive by half, reduce the home charger cost to 0, and increase the price of gas, this can be accomplished with these sliders. Changing the axes, font size, or scaling can easily be accomplished by clicking the Edit Axis button. Let's increase the font size of the vehicle names, as well as the x-axis maximum value, like this, and hit OK. Perhaps you would prefer to group the many cost segments for easier reading. Do this by clicking the Edit Display button and selecting your preferences, like this. Here we combine the vehicle purchase costs as well as all of the running costs, making our graph easier to read. Don't worry if you can't remember what you've changed. You can always reset by loading the default scenario. Other scenarios can be saved and recalled in a similar way. Perhaps you want access to the underlying data shown in this figure. No worries. You can capture the current results into a file using this button, and all of the raw data is ready for further analysis or visualizations. Although out of scope for this tutorial video, many additional scenarios can be created within the menus available through these two buttons. That's it for now. Check out the description for other videos on CarGHG or peruse this handy user's guide. Thank you very much.